Milwaukee just dropped some game-changing tools, and we're breaking down the best new releases for February 2025. From powerful rotary hammers to cutting-edge dust extractors, we've got the details you need before you buy. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. M18 4-gallon water supply kit with switch tank 491619 WS. This is built for dust suppression during concrete cutting and coring. It offers 5 pressure modes, adjustable between 20 to 60 psi, ensuring optimal water flow for different tasks. Powered by a 3.0 amp-hour M18 battery, it delivers up to 40 tanks per charge for extended use. The 4-gallon tank features a dual diaphragm pump, a wide mouth opening for easy refills, and an integrated strainer to filter out debris, preventing clogs. Designed with Milwaukee's switch tank technology, the powered base is compatible with multiple tanks, allowing users to quickly swap between applications without downtime. Durable and efficient, this system enhances job site productivity, making it an essential tool for contractors needing reliable water supply and dust control in demanding conditions. Number 2. M18 Fuel 9-gallon dual battery Packout dust extractor 0888. With the rise of Packout-compatible tools, it's no surprise that Milwaukee introduced the M18 Fuel Packout 9-gallon dust extractor. By integrating Packout storage on top, Milwaukee lets you store accessories and tools directly on the extractor, reducing trips back and forth to your truck. This dual battery dust extractor delivers cordless convenience with corded performance, offering 125 CFM on battery power and 175 CFM when plugged in. It features a dual automatic filter cleaning system, ensuring consistent suction, and comes equipped with 2 HEPA filters for OSHA Table 1 compliance. Additionally, VAC-Link technology enables touch-free activation, improving workflow efficiency. With powerful dust extraction, Packout compatibility, and job site-ready durability, this tool is an excellent choice for contractors seeking top-tier dust control. Number 3. M18 Fuel 5/8-inch SDS plus rotary hammer 2908. It delivers powerful drilling performance with an integrated dust extractor. Its brushless motor reaches 1,400 RPM and 5,000 BPM, generating 1.3 foot-pounds, 1.76 joules of impact energy. With the included 3.0 amp-hour battery, you can drill up to 89 holes, 1/4 inch by 2 inches, on a single charge. Designed for comfort and safety, this rotary hammer features Milwaukee's anti-vibration system, AVS, to reduce fatigue and auto-stop anti-kickback control for improved handling. Whether you're drilling into concrete or masonry, this tool provides reliable power, enhanced control, and reduced strain, making it an excellent choice for professionals on the job site. Number 4. M18 Fuel Number 10 1 1/4 inch Rebar Cutter 3675. It delivers fast, efficient cutting with a brushless motor that slices number 5 rebar in just 2 seconds while producing minimal sparks. When paired with a high-output XC 6.0 amp-hour battery, it provides up to 240 cuts per charge. Featuring rapid stop brake technology, the blade halts in just 1 second, enhancing both safety and productivity on the job site. Number 5. M18 Fuel 7 1/4 inch rear handle circular saw 2930. This is built for professional carpenters, delivering 6,000 RPMs with its brushless motor for powerful, consistent cutting. Compared to the previous 2830 model, it's 20% stronger and 20% faster, outperforming corded 15-amp worm drives. With the Forge 12.0 amp-hour battery, expect up to 700 cuts per charge, a significant upgrade over its predecessor. So, which Milwaukee tool takes the top spot? The M18 Fuel 9-gallon dual-battery Packout Dust Extractor 0888 wins for its unmatched power, portability, and dust collection efficiency. But which one is your favorite? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tool reviews.